Give me that.
I need those balls.
Ethan.
Look at mommy.
Ethan. Hey, Papa.
I need those balls. Now. Uh-oh.
Mike, not in the face.
Oh, this is the book.
Ethan.
Hey.
Do you like the balls, Papa?
You don't like me?
I do like you.
Oh. Do you want a ball?
I want ball.
Do you want a ball?
Thank you.
That's a green ball ice.
Nigga, they're all going to the couch.
Oh, Mike.
My ice.
Hey, Papa.
Give me that. Give me that. Give me that.
Did they try to do it to you?
Where'd they go?
Oh, give me that. Give me that. Hey, Ethan, they're all going under the goddamn bed.
Couch.
Give me that.
They're not those. The guard doors.
Michael. Michael, what is this?
No,
What is this?
This one?
No, yeah, this one.
Hey, this is really good.
It's a car?
Yeah.
Who bought it for you?
My dad.
Your dad?
There's no. Look, see? There's no swiping with them.
I know, he's trying to get out.
Yeah, I don't want
Ethan!
Hey,
Marley, back.
I don't want to get out.
Hey, Marley.
Pendeja, that's why. Did you charge the damn?
Yeah, I charged it all last night.
What?
The battery.
The camcorder.
Oh.
Oh, no.
Thank God I'm a smart one here because I put it on the charger.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Hey, listen. You should get in
Look, look, he's chilling.
You should get in here.
You heard Michael?
Yeah, Alyssa. You can get in there.
No, it's okay. I don't want to go for a ride right now.
What'd you tell Alyssa?
I just listen to it in here.
You told her to get in there?
Yeah.
What is this?
It's just the toys.
What toy is that?
A dog suffer Molly.
A dog transformer, Marley?
Yeah.
Ethan, what are you doing, Ethan?
Uh-oh. Molly.
No, don't throw the ball to Marley. Ethan. Do you like it? I guess so much for snow, huh?
Oh.
Ethan!
Not snow, maybe sleep.
Ethan!
No!
It's okay, he'll get it.
I need Bluetooth blanket.
It's okay. There, you got it. Bloop.
Right?
Hi, the baby. Bloop. Bloop.
Ow! Is it tickling me?
Look where that food decides the shit at.
Let me see.